Just for Copper replaces hot solder welding, saving time and avoiding heat burns on your hands and surrounding surfaces. Just for Copper is very simple to use. First you sand the pipe and connector with the 60 grit sandpaper supplied, shake the bottle and apply to the pipe and connector using a zigzag pattern. Insert the pipe into the connector and rotate 360 degrees. Wait for 10 seconds until the bond has set. The join can be pressured to 200 psi after only 7 minutes. Just for Copper has been approved to the British standard by RAS as safe for use with hot and cold water systems including drinking water. Just for Copper has been thoroughly tested under all possible conditions. Find out more by clicking on the Safety Data button on our website or register now for more details.